can actually control the drone forward. So I'm going forward right now. This is crazy, guys. So I'm in like, I'm actually flying through the lane. The thing about it is you can tilt the camera up. I'm actually in sport mode. Guys, I'm in a sport mode. Oh, wow. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's up. Just using this thing. So it goes up. Wow. Look at this, guys. Woohoo! Sport mode. Just using the gun. Whoa! This is my... Look at that. Alright. Okay, it's recording. You can see here. Alright. So you can go ahead. So how do I go down? So I guess I can just go ahead and press this. It will just go down. I don't know if it's returning to home. And then you hold it. Okay. I'm on the rain, guys. Look at this thing. Woo! Alright, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and punch because I'm not too sure. So I'm gonna punch backwards. Oh wow. Whoa! Woo! Woohoo! In the rain! Wow! This is crazy. Guys, this is crazy. Look at me right now. I'm just going this way with it. Wow. And the rain. Alright. Go back this way. Woo! I don't even know where I'm at. So I'm basically gonna go back where I returned to home. So he's gonna leave me. So okay, so it's basically over there. So that's weird. Wow, that's crazy. Oh wow. Is it recording? Okay, let's stop recording. I don't know why. It's recording right now, but my hand is wet. You can see, and you can see the FPV. Wow. First experience, guys, on this drone. Alright, let's go ahead and put this over here. This is crazy. It's not bad. It's like a missile, dude. This is crazy. All you gotta do is come back this way. This is my first time using the motion control. Whoa! When I'm braking. And then let me see if I can go. Okay, I'm in the... It's awesome, dude. Let's go ahead. No, it's recording. Let's see. It's raining. Look at my controller on my goggles. It's all wet. It's all wet in there. Wow. Okay, let's go down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just return to home, or I don't know, just press it down. And I just go ahead and crazy. And you can't do anything once you have it down. You can't really do anything. So once you press that down, it's gonna just go down. Okay, I want to go ahead and stop it. Okay, good. So, fly in the rain. Look how wet is the drone. Woohoo!